So for anybody who likes puzzle games and logic games, this is basically, well, let me just show you the tutorial. Right here you need to set all those hexagons to the number that will give a sum of 5, like 2, 2, 1. Well, that's it. Just 2. One, 3, 2. Since it's 6, and in any cell it can only be from 1 to 3, so it's 3, 3, and 1. Again, the lowest number is 1, so it only can be 1 and 1, and here 1 and 1, because otherwise it can go lower. So it's 3 right here. Okay, so 5. 5 means that in both cells it's at least 2, and here is maximum 2. So 2 goes here, 1 here, 3 here. Okay, number 6. Again, 5. So 2 is minimum here, and maximum because of 3. So it's 2. So it's 1, 3, and 2. It's pretty easy at the beginning. Okay, so 2. So 1, 1. That leads to 3. 2 over here, 3 over here, and 2 over here. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, and in 3 cells you have 7, so it needs to be 3 and 3 over here. 3 and 5 again. It's a good combination. That means that only 2 can be applicable here. That means 3, 1, and 2 here, 3 here, 2 here. Okay, here we have 1, 2. It means 2 here, into here. 6 here, so we need to have 3 here and here. 1, 2, and finish the 9. Next one is 6 here. We know that's from the start. 3 here, so only this combination. And here we have 4 already, and 8 total. So those 2 should be 4, but 2 is minimum here, and 2 is minimum here. So it will be 2, 2, 3 here, 3 here. For some reason, oh, okay, we have we have an error here, so it will be 2 here. I'm sorry. Next one is we're looking at 6 over here, so it's 3 and 3, and 2 here, 1, 1. It leads to 2. This is 2. That is 3 and 3 because it's 7, and we need to 6 into cells. That leads to 2. It's 5, so 3 here, 1 here, 2 here. We have 2 here. Only viable option here is 1s. What next? 10 over here. We have 1 and 3 cells, so 3 in every cell. 5 and 2 cells empty, so only 1 and 1 can work. And a little more complex combination. So over here we have 4, so these two hold 5, so 2 at least for this cell. And there is 2 additional cells here and here, so it can be more than 2, because if it will be like 3, then we'll have no more dots for those 2 cells. So it means it's 2, 1, 1 in here, 3, 5, 2 here, 4, 6, 3 here. So this one we have 9, so 3 in all cells. We have 5 here, so 1 and 1. We have 5 here, so 2, 5, 2 left. Here we have at least 2 because of this 5, so it's 2 and 1, 2, 1, 3 here. Actually, since it's 12 and 4 cells, all of those should be 3. That leads to 1, and that leads to 1. Let's have a look here. We have 2, so 1 and 1. This leads to 2, 1, 2. So they are kind of train here. 3 here, 2 here. So since it's 9, we have 5, 6, 7, 2 here. What do we have next? 1, 4, 5. So 2 here. And those 2 should hold 6. So 3 per cell. What we have, yeah, 2 here, so 1 and 1, 3 here because of this 4, and then 3 here because of those 1. And actually it's interesting, since it's 11 and we already have 6, we have 5 left, so 2 here and 2 here, but this one can be 3. This means this is 2, this one. So here we have 3, and for this 9 we have 2, and we finish with 2. Okay, we can see another rule here. This cell has already set number of dots, but still for the empty cells we can only set it to 1, 2 or 3. Okay, so since it's 4, 3 goes here, 1 here. Next one. Okay, since it's 6, we have 3 over here in these 2 cells, but it's 5, so at least it's 2, 1, and 3 here. Okay, 4, so there's 3, and 1 left here. 8, so this 2, this is 2. Uh, 4 already here, so 2 for these 2 cells, so 1 left. 3 started here, 2, 2, and 3. So next one, 2 over here, 2 over here, so it's 12, and the sum is 10, so we have only 2 left, 2 here and 3 here. This is 3 and 5, so this cell is 2, this cell is 3, this is 1, this is 2, this is 2, since it's 10, so we'll do 2 left. What we have here? 3 already. Also we have this one, it's 2. And what else? We have this one, 8. It's 2 and 3, 5, so only 1 here. 2 here and 1 here. 2 and 1. So 7. It leaves 2 and 3 over here. Since it's 5 and 4, 1 here, 2 here. Then let's look at this 11. We have 5 already, and we have 6 for 2 cells, so it's 3 per cell. And only 1 left here. And let's look at this one. We have 5, 3 and 4, so it's 12 already, but we need 14, so 1 each. Right here we have 3. Okay, let's look at this 10. We already have a 4 and 2 cells left, so 3 here and here. For this 5 we have 2 left and in 2 cells, so 1 each. 2 here. This is 9. 2 left. 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay, this already have 7, so 3 over here, 2 over here. And for this 7, we'll look at this one. It needs to have 6 in these 2 cells, so 3 per cell. Yeah, let's look at this one now. It's 5, so those should be 5. Those 3 cells should hold 5. Let's look at this diagonal, this horizontal one. Horizontal. So it's 6, so it's 12. Those 2 have 4. Okay, it doesn't tell us much. Then let's look at it from another angle. From another angle. Okay. So let's consider this one. This one, it's 6 and 12. So those 2 should have 6. So 3 each. 1 here, 3 here, 1 here. What we have here? So it's 9 and 4 already present. So those 4 should have 5 in total. But we have 5 here, so this is at least 2. So everything else is 1. 3 here, 1 here, 6 in those 2, so here's 3, 1, 3, 7, 1 left, 3 left. We have 8 here, 2 left, 3 here and 1 here. So you see that it's very common, and when you open up some cells, they're just like fold like dominoes. Okay, let's look at this one. 4, so 2 left. For 3, it's 1 left. For this 10, we have 4, so 3 and 3. For this 5, it's 2. 7, we have 6 already, so 1 left. For this 3, it's 2 left. And for this 7, it's 3, and we just finished 13. Okay, So what we have over here, this is interesting because it's 11 and 4 cells. It means at least only one of those have 2, all other have 3. We can use it later for sure. What else can we say? Okay, let's look at this 10. It's 4, so it should be 3 and 3 here. It means that 2 here, 3 here. Okay. What next? This is 4 and 3, 7, 1 left. This is 7 and 3 and 3. And here's our 2, the only 2 for this row. So 5 and 2, so it's 3, 1, and we finish 8. Okay, here's 7, and sum of those is 3. So it means that it can be only 2, this 1, this 3. Okay, and this one, because of the 10, is 2 and 6. So 3 is here, 2 is here. This is 11, so 8, 10, 1 left. Good. This is 4, so 2 left. This is 6, so 1 left. Nice. This is 4, so 2 left and 3 left. And let's look at this row. So it's 6, 10, 14, 15. Since it's 15, that means I miscalculated. Let's count it. Let's sum it up again. So 7, 11, 15, 16. So 3 for each of those. Okay, let's look at this one. We have 7 and 10 here. It means that we need to have 3 over here. 2 left, 3 left. 7, 3, 10, so only 1 left. Since it's 7 and 2 cells should be 6. So 3 each. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is 5, so 2 left. And this is 4, 1 left, 2 left, and 1 left. Great. So for this 10 we have 4, 7, 8, 2, 2. Okay, let's go. Next one. Oh, we have a new rule. So the number in the cell is supposed to be the same for all of those. So every cell that have this outline will have same amount, same number. Actually, we can go. You see that we started the pink one. We can go back because they're actually bonus levels, like this one. They are more complicated. Let's go through them. They kind of follow the same rules, but they are more complicated. So 2, 1 and 1, 4, 3. 2 over here, 5, so 1 left. I mean, this 3 left because it needs to be 8. Okay, so 2 over here because of 5, and 4 here, so 2. For this 7 we have 6, 1 left. What next? This 8, that means that every cell here has or at least 2. And this is 3, so 2 at most. So it's 2, 3 here, 3 here, 1 left. This is 3, so only 1 per cell. This is 3 then. What we have? This 5 is 1 and 3, so 1 left. This 5 is 1 and 1, so 3 left. For this 11 we have 2 left. And for this 7 we just finish. Okay, let's go number 2. Okay, let's see. Let me think. Okay, let's look at this 3 and this 5. So it means that this cell can only be 2. otherwise it will be too much for 3 or too little for 5. So it's 1, it's 3, it's a good start. Next will be, okay, we can look at this 7. Oh no, let's look at this 5 and this 3. Again, the same thing. It can only be 2, so it's 1 and 3 here. That's better. We have 3 here and we have 7, so every cell here should have only 1, because 1 is the lowest number. Good. Let's look at this 6. It's 2 and 4, so 2 left. This 10, 1, 3, 7, so it's 2 over here. Let's actually, no, we can't make any conclusions yet. Let's leave it for now. What else? 6, so it's 5 over here in those 3 cells. Doesn't give us anything. It's 4 here and 4 here. So let's look at this 11. Since this is 11, it means that right here we have 10 left, but this one can only be 2 at the most. So it means that those 3 have at least 8 in total. And in turn, this means that this can only be at least 2, and this can be at least 2, and this one can be at least 2. So since this is at least 2, that means that this is at most 2. And this is at least 2 as well. So this is at most 2 and this is at most 2. Okay, so since this one is at least 2, and this means that it can be 2 or 3, which in turn means that this one, since some of those should be 7, this will be 2 at most, and this one is 2 at most as well. That means that they are both 2, and we can actually go from here. So this 3 turns into 1, this 7, so it's 2. Right here we have 5, 6 left, so 3 and 3, and we finish. Okay, let's finish with the third one. Okay, we have 6 here, so 3 and 3. What else do we have? We actually have 6 over here, and since it's 3 already, then only 1 available here for each cell. We have 3 here. Now let's look at this 7. It's actually a lot of cells. It's 6 cells, so only one of those have 2. That's very important. So it means that what does it mean? Oh, this one has at least 2 somewhere here. Yeah, let's think about it. It's 8 here, 8 here. It's a pickle, I'm missing something. Oh, okay. This is 9 and this is 1, so those 3 cells give us 8 in total. But this one and 3 cells giving 8 means that they are at least 2. Each of them has at least 2, but this can be more than 2, so it's 2, 1, and that's good. This means that those are 3, and here we have 6 left, so 3 and 3. This is very helpful. Then what next? What we have more? So this is 7 left, and this is 5. This is 5. Oh, let's look at this 8. We already have 6, so 1 and 1. Let's look at this 4. We have 2, and we can finish this 7. 1 and 1. There, that's great. Now we have 7 here, so it's 4 left here. We have 5 left here, and 4 left here. Let's look at this 9. We have 3, so we have 6 left. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. For this 9 we have 2 left. For this 8 we have 2 left. And we finish this 11. Let's move up to additional puzzles for this segment. Okay, from starting here. So what do we have here? Let's look at this. So we have 4, so 2 of those give 5, and this is 3, so only 2 is viable. 3 here, 1 here, 5 here, so 2 left, 3 here, 2 left, 6 here, 3, 5 here, so it's going to be 2, 6, 3 left. Okay, we finished with this part. What else can we see here? So we have 4 over here, 4, and we have 5 spread across those. Okay, let's look at this 8. We have 5, so we have 3 left, but this can be at least 2, so 2, 1, this is 3, 1. For this 10, we don't know enough yet. Okay, this 7 has 2 and 4, 6, so 1, 2 left. For this 4 it's 2, 1 over here. Let's look at this 9, it's 6, 3 left. For this 8 we have 1 left, and for this 10 we have 1 left, so 3 left. Okay, next one. Next one, this 8 gives us 2, and this 6 again gives us 1 here. This 4 gives us 3, and this is 2. 2 cells, 2 remain, so 1 and 1. What else? We have 7 over here, and 5 here as well. So 7, 8, 12. Right here we have 7, 8, 12, and sum supposed to be 21, so 9 in those 3 cells. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This gives us 1. This one 1 as well. For this one we have only 2 left, so that's how it goes. This 7 is supposed to be 3 and 3. So it's 2 over here, and over here. Great. So this one can only have 3 in both cells, and we finish this 14. Okay, last from this section. This 6 needs to be both 3. What else? This 8 is nice because it has 6 cells, and that means most of them will be 1s. That's good. This one has 5, so at least 2 for those. This is 7, 2 for those as well. Okay, let's look at this one. Because it's 5, so it's at least, this one is at least 2, and this is 4, so this is the only possibility. So this is 3, and we have 7 here already, and this is 11. So 3 of those give us 4 in total. But this one can at least be 2, because this is 7 and 12, so it's 2, this 1 and 1. This is 9, 3 left, 1 left, and this is 5 and 11, so 6 left, 3 and 3, 1 left over here. For this 8, we actually have 4 cells remaining, and we have only 4 points remaining, so 1 in each. This is 9, and the sum is already 8, so 1 left, 2 left here, 3 left here, 2 left over here, so this is 3. This is 11, so we have 6, we have 8, so 3 remains, 1, 2. Great, let's move on to the next segment. This one, maybe we already did it, but let's repeat it. Okay, this is 2, rules remain the same, so 3 here. Those outline and just add additional construction, so it's not a big deal. So we can actually look at those and those. So it's 5, so at least this I don't know how to call this color, but like it doesn't matter. So this is at least 2, but it is at most 2 as well, so it's 2. It's 2, it means it's 3, it's 2. This is 1, 3, 2 and 2. Okay, next one. Okay, this might be a little harder to understand, so let's consider this one. It can't be 1 because of this 5. Let's try making it 3. If it's 3, then this one this will be 3 as well, and this will be 1, but this can be 1. That means it's 2. It's 2, almost 3, it's 2. Okay, over here we have 8 and 5s. So for those, let's say, of course, they can be 3. Can they be 1? So it'll be 1, 1, and this will be 3. It means that this will be, since it was 3, those 2 should go 5. 5. Okay, let's consider those. If this is, it can be 3, but it can be 2. If it's 2, then it's it can be 1 because of this 8. It can be 3 because of this 5. It means it's 2. So it's 2. This is 1 left. This is 8. So 3 and 3 and 1. Okay, here here we'll have same logic. So this one can be 1 because it will be 3 here, and it can be 3. It can't be 3 because of this 3, so it's 2. It's 2, it's 1, this 1, and this 3, and 1 left. So we're basically eliminating something that can't happen. Okay, let's look at that. Again, let's look at this pink one. So it can be 3. Let's say it's 1. If it's 1, then this will be 3, this will be 1, and that needs to be 4, which can happen. So it will be 2. So 1, 3, 1, and 1 left. Okay, this. Okay, it's actually interesting. We can look at this combination. So it's 5, but it has 2 pink over here. Those can't be 2 or 3, because even if it's 2, then it will be 4, and only 1 left for those 2 cells. It means it's 1. Okay, since it's 1, and this as a result is 1, so those should be 6 in total. So 3 and 3. Because of this 4, it's 1, so it's 2, 2, and we have 2 left. This one is, we have 6, so 3 and 3, 2, 2 left, 1 left. Very simple. Let's look at this one. Okay, let's consider this cell. This cell says us that it can't be 3, so it's on 1 or 2. But at the same time, it can't be 1, because if it's 1, then this will be 3, which can happen. So it's 2. Since it's 2, it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Finished with this one. Let's move to this one. We have 2, 2 here, 1 here, so 3 here. Okay. What we have here? Okay, let's consider this one. We have 6 over here. It can be 3. Oh, even it can be 3 because it will be 6 already, and it can be actually 2. If it's 2, then it will be 2, this will be 2, and those should be 1. Those 2 cells should be 1. But they can't because of this 5. It means they can be 2 as well, so they are 1. So this will be 2, this will be 2 as well, this will be 2, 2, and 3. And this is 4, so we have 3 left, 2 left. For this one we have 3, so 3, 4, 5, 1 left, 2 here and 2 here. You always need to find the right angle to start. It's interesting here because it's 6 cells and 5 cells, I'm sorry, and 6 in total, so they're quite restricted. And this one is 8, so this one is at least 2. This means this is 2 and then those are 1. That's an incredible start. So this one is 3, this is 2, and 3 here left, 2 here, 2 here, and 3 here. We're done with the bottom part. Right here we have 2, we have 3 here left, so 3 here and 2 here. Let me take a sip of water. Or should I say a huge gulp of water. Nice. Okay, so we have 3 cells with the same number in them. What does it mean for us? This 8 means that this is at least 2, and the same from this 5, so it's at least 2. And let's look at this 6. We have 4 cells, and this cell is at least 2, and this cell is at least 2. So those are 1s, and those are 2s. No way, no other way. So this is 3. That's great. That's very, very helpful. So since this is 4 and we have 6 in total, so those are 1s, and this is 3. We have 4 over here. Okay, let's look at this. This is 5, so this is at least 2, and this is 3, so it's 2. 3 over here, 1 over here, and 2 left. Okay, this is 3, so those are 1s. 2 here, 2 left. Since it's an 8, so 3 here and 3 here. Oh, 1 left. We have 1 over here and 7 for those 3 cells. So 3 here and 3 here, 2 left, 2 left, 1 left. For those, let's consider this row. So we have 14, we have 12 left, and 4 cells empty. So all of them should be 3. So this is 2, this is 2, and this is 1. Okay, next. Let's consider this 5. So this is at least 2, and because of this, it's at most 2. So this is 2, 1, 3, 3 left here, 2 left here, 2 here, 2 here. Because of these 2, and this is 4, so only 1 can be here and here. 2 here, 2 here, 3 left. This is 9, so every cell here has 3 in it. So 3, 3, and 3. Let's finish this one. So 1, 2 left, 5, 1 left. We have this little flower left, so because of this 3, it's 1 and 1. Because of this 10, we have 3. Basically, only 1 and 1, so 3 here and 2 here. Okay, so it's 5 and only one viable option. Okay, it's 5, 4 already present, so this is 1, so those are 3, and we have 1 left. Here we have 5, 7, so this is 2, 2, and 2 left. Okay, we have 5 here, so 1, 3 left, 1 left, 3 left, 1 left. Here's 1 left, 2. I don't know, for some reason they're starting to be easier somehow. I don't know. A new rule will be added soon, and I think that will start to be more complicated. So this is 2 at least. So this is 2 at most. Yeah, that's fine. And since this is 2 at most, no, this is 2 at least because of this 5, right? But because of this 7, it can be more than 2. Otherwise, it won't be enough for this cell. So it's 2. 2 over here, 1 over here, and 3 over here. We have 6 and 2 cells, so 3 each. We have 5 here, 1, 3 left, 2 left, 2 left, and 3 over here. What we have 2 here, 2 here, 3 here, and 1 left here. For this one we have 4, 7, 3 left, 2 left, 2 left here, 1 left here. So this is 6. Okay. So let's look at this one. In case this is 3, that will mean that this is 1, and this will become 3 as well. So it can be 3, right? At the same time, it can't be 1 because of this, because it will be 4. So it means that it is 2. 2 here, here, 1 here, 3 here, 1 left, 3 left. We have 8 here, 1 left, 7 here, 3 left. Good. What we can say about this one? So 3. Okay, this is 4. As well as this and this. This is 5. Interesting. Okay, so let's consider the bottom left one. So 6 over here, so 1 and 1. And this one transferred here, so it's 5, 6, 2 left, so this is 1. This yields us to 3. This gives us 3 as well. 1 over here and 3 over here. Let's finish others. 6, 2 left. For this we have 2 left as well. 7 here, 1 left, and 2 left. Okay, let's consider this one. Since we have 5 here, those two cells give 3 in total. Some of those are 3. So this is 2 at max. But at least it should be 2. So it's 2. We have 3 here, 2 remaining. This gives us 1, 5, 3. This is 1 and 3. So 2. This is 3. This is 2, 2. 2 left, 3 remaining, 3 here, 3 here. We know that this is at least, we don't need to know that this is 6, so this is 2 and this is 3. For this 5 it's 1 and 1, 3 left, 2 left, 2 left, so 3 here. For this one we have 2, so those two cells are 6. 3 here, 3 here. For this 5 we have 2, 2 remaining, 2 over here, so done. Okay, this looks like a big one, but I don't think it will be hard, so let's consider this. Since it's 3 and 5, it means that this is supposed to be 2, 1 here, 3 remaining. What next? Okay, we have 7 here, like 5 plus 2, 7, and this is 13. So those 3 are supposed to be 6. It's not really that interesting. Okay, this one, 12. We have 7, so we have 5 remaining. and this is at least 2, and this is at least 2. This is at least 2 because of this 5, and this is at least 2 because of this 8, so this is 1. It didn't give us much though. What can we spot in addition to that? Let's look at this. So it's 3, meaning that this is 2 at most, but because of this 5 it's 2 at least. So it's 2, 1, and 3 here, 2 here, 2 here, 3 here remaining. For this 6 we have 2, so we have 3, 3 and 2, so it's 8. For this 10 we have only 2 remaining, so this is 3. Let's look at this 11. It's 5 here, so 6 remaining for 2 cells, so 3 each. 2 is remaining. This 8 we have 3 and 2, so 3 remaining, 1 here. For this 12 we have 3, 4, 10, so 2 remaining, 3 here. For this 13 we finish it, and this is 2. Yeah, very important not to try basically to build a lot of complicated like logical transactions, because you just need to apply it in the right place. Most of the time they're just easy to not that easy to spot, but easy to calculate parts. Okay, what we have here? Oh, let me get another sip of water. Okay. This green one is very interesting, actually. Let's consider this 33. We have 6, we have 5, we have 7 and 5. So 18 in total for those 3 cells. So remainder is 15. Right? So 5, 7 and 6. So it's 18. So those 1, 2, 6 have 15 in total. Let's pin that for now. I think that we can consider a couple of possibilities. Let's say this is 3. This is 3. If it's 3, then it means that this is 1, and it can be, so it's not 3, so it's 1 or 2. Let's say it is 2. If it's 2, then it's 7. This is 5 and 2, 7. So this is 2, this is 3. And this is 3. No, it's 2. Or maybe we should consider it being 1. Okay, I think okay, let's so it basically 2 possibilities, 1 or 2. Let's try calculating 1. So this is 1, this will be 5, so this will be 3, right? So this is 2 and this is 3, so 1, 6, it's 3, 2, so this is 3, 1, 3, it means this is 1. If this was 1, so this is 1 and this is 2, so 2 and this is 3. So we have 1, 3 and this is 3. Okay, I think it becomes too complicated. So let's try to analyze 2. What if this is 2? Okay, actually it will be much faster to just put 2 over here. If this is 2, then this is 7, 2 left, 3 here, 2 here, 1 here. Okay. It's just an assumption. We'll see how it goes. So this is 7, 2, 1 left, 3 here, 2 here, so 3 here. This one gives us 2. This will be 2, 2 as well. And let's see what we have here. We have 5, 8, 9, 16, 22, 28. So basically this is 3. So no contradictions. Okay, it was a astute assumption. So this is 15. Those at least 2. So this is 7. Okay, let's look at this. This is 10. This is 7. So it can be 2 at most. So and this, because of this 5, it's 2 at least. So this is 2. This is 3. This is 1. Because of this 4, we have 1 here. And because of this 4, we have 1 here and here. Because of this, we have 3 here. We have 7, 8, 9. We have 9 here, so 4 for those 2. This is important. Let's look at this 15. We have 13, so we have 15 here, 2 left here. 3, 1, 3. For this 5, we have 1 left, 3 here, and we finish 13. So next one. This is 7, and we already have 4. So this is at most 2. At the same time, this is at least 2 because we have 5 left. So this is 2. This is 3. For this one, we have 1. For this 13, we have 12 already present, so this is 1. For those 2, we have 5 left, and since it's 3, so this is 2, this is 3, this is 1. For this 4, we have 3 and 2 left. 3 over here, and 2 over here left. For this we have 1 left, for this we have 3 left, and for this 10 we have 1 left, for this 11 we have 1 left. Yeah, and since we have like 2 of those reds, we may not even count the rest of it. We just put 1. Oh, let's count. Let's not rely on the markings. So it's 5, 8, 13, 15, 18, 23, and we need 27. That means it's supposed to be 4 between them. 4 is supposed to be split between them, so it's 2. What we have here? So this is 7. That means those 3 hold only 4. So only one of them is 2. only one of them is 2. Okay, let's consider this. This is 2 at most. Let's say it is 1. No, let's say it is 2, or better 1. Okay, let's say it's 1. If this is 1, it can be 1 or 2. It can be 3, because if this is 3, then it is 10 already, and we have only 1 left for 2 cells. So it's 1 or 2. If this is 1, it means that this one is 3. And because of this is 1 as well, this will be 3. So it will be 3 and 3, and this won't have any remaining. So it's 2. 2 over here, 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 here. A lot of 2's. Okay, this one have 2 as well. Okay. So this is 7, and this is 2. So those are 1. We have 2 left. For this 12, we have 9, 11. We finished 12. We have 2 left, and we should finish this one. Okay, we have new rule. So number in those cells are supposed to be, this one supposed to be bigger than this one, and this one supposed to be bigger than this one. That means that for such a relation, only 1 is can be here, 2 can be here, and 3 can be here. Yeah, for this sign, they can be equal. So for example, this is 3. The only possibility here is 2 and 1. And for this one, since it's 2, it equals those 2 cells, means 1 and 1. We can see here the sequence of 3 as well. So it's 3, 2, 1. The only possibility, and this equal, so 3 and 3 over here. Okay, next. So those 3 constitute 6. So this can be 3, 2, 1. This is equal, so 2. This is 2 as well. 3 remaining. For this one, we have 1 and 1. Okay, we have 11 here and 4 cells. Only one of those cells is 2, but since this is bigger than this 2, this means that those are 3 and 3, 1 left. And what we have here, this can be 3. If this is 3, then this is 1, so this is 4. Can't work, can be that way. So this is 2, then this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, what we have here, we have those again, 3 of those, so it's 3, 2, 1, 1. So since this is 4, then we have 3, and this is 3 as well, and this is 2 remaining. Since this is bigger than 2, then it's 3. We have 2 here, 2 here remaining, 3 here, 1 remaining, so here 3. Pretty simple. Okay. What we have here. Okay. So this one can be 3. Because if this is 3, then this is 1, and this should be 4. So it's not 3, it means it's 2. This is 2, and it can be 1 because otherwise it won't be bigger than 1. So we have 3 remaining, 1 remaining, 2 remaining, 3 here. And for this equation to be correct, it's supposed to be 1 and 3. Okay, what we have here? We have 13 and 6 slots. This is at least 2 and this is at least 2. If any of those is 3, it will mean that this is 5 and this is 5 as well. And this is supposed to be bigger, so like 6. So it won't be enough. So it's 2, 2 and 3. And this is supposed to be 4 as well. And only way it can be 4 is 2 and 2 and this is 1. What we have left? So it's 4, 8. We have 5 left. So it's 2, 3, 1. So you see. Okay, this one 68 out of 90. Okay, I think that'll do for now. We've been doing this for an hour. So thank you for watching. See you around.